Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and repost a post on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. Now from here in the upper right corner, we can get started logging into our account. So you want to go ahead and log into your account where your post is that you want to repost. So once you've logged in, we can now go ahead and access our account by clicking the account option in the upper right corner, and it's going to take us to the account page. From here, we have our postings, drafts, searches, and so on, our account menu. So let's go and take a look at how to repost anything. So reposting paid listings. This option will allow you to create a duplicate copy of an active or expired paid posting when applicable. So this is going to enable you to do so by going into your postings. It's going to appear right here. You're going to be able to take a look at the status, manage option, and posting title of your post. And one of the options is going to be colored post. So you're going to have the edit option, delete, and repost, and then you can just click on the repost button. If you want to repost without a Craigslist account, you can follow the steps right here. You're going to locate this email that you received when you submitted your post, and it's going to give you the post, edit, and delete options. And on the management page, select repost this posting, and by following the steps, you are going to go ahead and be able to repost your post, and there you have it. That's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.